Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. It's Guy here, and in today's video we're going to learn about what is Atomic Wallet, how you can actually use it to your own advantage, that you will be able to manage all your crypto assets in one place and also make passive income, not just by staking, but also to make passive income for every swap that you do for multiple crypto coins. So if you want to learn how to do exactly that and also to do it from the comfort of your hand on your phone, make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only.
All right, so first of all, what is Atomic Wallet? So Atomic Wallet is actually a crypto wallet for buying, staking, and exchanging. And actually you can manage your different crypto coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, XLM, and much more. And they have actually over 300 coins and tokens that you can actually use and swap and exchange and swap and stuff like that. Now, the beauty in this wallet that I didn't see in a lot of others, besides the idea that you can actually manage very easily your portfolio and you can see it very accurately also on your phone and also on your computer, and I will show you in a minute how you can actually download it, is actually that you can get instant exchange with cashback, meaning that every swap that you make with over 60 plus crypto pairs anonymously, you can receive cash back for the action. And it's very simple. All you need in order to get started is that when you use the Atomic Wallet, you will earn up to 1% cashback for each exchange, or you will purchase that you make in the app. And like, you don't need to do anything but making the purchase or making the swap, and this is it. You see, so it's exactly like passive income for actions that you already make. All you need to do is buy AWC and actually exchange or purchase other cryptos, and then you just get rewarded, and you get rewarded in AWC, and then it's distributed to you monthly. So it's like passive income, like you have an apartment that you rent somewhere, so you can actually get that. And as you can see that there are multiple levels, and as a beginner you can actually start by free cashback that you will get on max 150 USD a month, and it will be 0.25% of the swap that you're making. Now, the beauty in this wallet, besides the idea of the cashback, is actually that you can also make passive income by staking. Now, what do I mean by staking? So, and by the way, they have a card that you can actually buy. And the beauty is that you can make money while you sleep. And you do that by actually get rewarded on staking, okay? And you can stake multiple coins, and you only need is to click on stake now. And then you can actually see the different daily profits that you will make for each token that you stake. So let's take, for example, Solana. So as you can see, if you're holding 100 Solana, which is the value currently, and you know, now we're in the bear market, is 3,182 USD, you can actually make daily profit of 0.02 Solana, and the monthly profit will be 0.58 Solana, and you will make passive income yearly yield of over 7%, as you can see in here. So the yearly profit will be like 7 Solana on 100 Solana that you actually stake. Now, as you can see, it's written right in here, you will earn crypto while you sleep. You generally don't need to do anything because staking is working in a very simple way. And you can also watch the video in here. The way is like that. You stake the crypto, meaning that you stake your crypto in the crypto wallet. The validator actually create blocks, and you receive regular staking rewards while supporting the blockchain. And then you just receive the profits. Like, you get rewarded to your wallet automatically. And for some coins, you will actually need to claim the rewards, but this is the only action that you need after you actually stake it. Now, why you should actually stake with Atomic Wallet? So as you see, they say in here that your crypto is safe, and you are the only person that in full control of your private keys and crypto. Now, it's very simple to function with it, and yet it's still powerful interface. And as you can see in here, you can choose any validators that you want and unstake whenever you want, and you can manage, buy, exchange, and stake your crypto in one app. The less apps that you're using and the more focused you are in one app that you have your assets, you can see the things more clearly. Now, about safety, of course, that to diversify in multiple places, if you want to invest in assets that you can see here, maybe. But if you want to make decisions and to develop your most advanced strategy that you can to invest and to make the maximum profits, it will be a very smart idea for you to consider, at least to see if you're making better decisions while you're actually seeing all your assets in one place or in the minimum amount of places. And as you can see in here, you can put everything in one place. Now you can actually choose from lots of crypto assets, and there are over 30 blockchains that are supported and tons of tokens that can be managed in the app. And all you need to download the app is actually that you click on download, and then you can download it to whatever you want. Like you can to the Mac, to the Windows, to your phone, okay, to your Android, whether it's on the App Store, whatever you want, you can actually download it, and you will see that it's very, very simple to function. And also, by the way, stay notified to the new features, depends on when you will watch this video. But in general, make sure that you're actually learning the platform properly. And if you have any questions, by the way, you can actually click in here and go to their Twitter and ask their community. And as you can see in here, that their community has over 94,000 followers and growing. And as you can see that on their different posts, they have hundreds and sometimes even thousands of engagements, which actually showing us that they have a very engaging community. So if you want to become part of their community and also enjoy a very private and safe wallet, make sure that you're going to the website by clicking the link down below. Now, if you want to learn more about their safety and to understand how it a little bit works, so you can actually scroll down and you will see in here that your private keys are actually encrypted and never leave your device, and you're fully control on your funds. Now, there are no accounts, there are no verifications, no KYC for basic features in the wallet. No one can block your funds, okay? That's the beauty of using actually a decentralized wallet. And their support is 24/7. They have live support and they are ready to help. All you need in order to use it effectively, you need to use all the live chat or their email, and you will get a quick and efficient response, okay? And as you can see in here, you can actually click on the help and then you will be able to get help. Now, by the way, their supported assets, as you can see the list in here, and also you can see the full list while you click in here. But as you can see, all the well-known like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Tether, USD, Dash, Monero, Cardano, Binance Coin, which is BNB actually. You can see Dogecoin in here, Ethereum Classic, which is Ethereum 2, and also you can see Raven Coin and also the Atomic Wallet token. Now, about their team, if you want to read about their team and it will make you feel more confident about it, you can actually go to their LinkedIn and actually you can read more about them, and also watch some of their videos and also see their huge partners like 99 Bitcoin, Buy Bitcoin Worldwide, Blockchain, Binance Decentralized Exchange, and CoinMarketCap, and much, much more. Now, about their safety. So the question about if it's safe, so they will explain you here a little bit about their interface and what we've talked earlier, but about your questions. So your wallet is safe if you follow their basic safety rules, meaning to keep your device safe. And if your device is compromised, so the wallet will be compromised as too. So make sure that you never share your 12-word backup or private keys with anybody, and your backup is like a key to your wallet, whoever owns it, okay? So it's like a key to your home, okay? If someone else has the key to your home, he can get into your home, and you want your own privacy, so keep it to yourself, you know? Now, I would totally recommend to anyone that wants to use this wallet, and you can get to their website by clicking the link down below, that you will actually, before you download their wallet or before you use it, or you can download it, head over to the website and really go to the support, read about them, okay? Go to their academy, go about their blog, and you will see a lot of articles and a lot of explanations that will help you to understand more in details about how you can actually use it, about the development of the project itself, and also the roadmap, and that way hopefully to maximize your profit by using their platform. And yeah, this is mainly it. Now, about their AWC staking, meaning their token staking. So you can make 20% rewards with the AWC staking. And as you can see, the road is very, very easy to get started. Like, think about it this way. Let's say that you want to invest $100 a day, okay? So if you invest only $100 a day, you will be able to buy 271.425 according to today, and you will make daily profit of 0.12 AWC token, and hopefully you will make 70% yield. But if you will increase the amount that you will invest, you will be able to make 20% yield, and if you will invest even more, you will be able to make 23% and more, which is incredible. And in order to be able to learn about the staking process, click in here under staking guide and also about the AWC coin guide, and you will be able to learn much more about their first token, which is actually issued by the decentralized cryptocurrency wallet, and you will be able to get a lot of benefits using it, including staking, cashback when using their exchanges, and also you will be able to use affiliate and bounty rewards, and much more are here to come. So if you want to learn how you can potentially make some passive income with crypto, whether it's with their token or whether it's with other crypto assets, head over to the website by clicking the link down below, and you will be able to learn much more. So for summary, if you want to be able to manage your portfolio easily, all in one place and all in a secure interface, head over to their website atomicwallet.io by clicking the link down below and learn how you can also, besides just managing your crypto assets, to make some passive income using it, and also make some passive income on swaps that you are already planning to do. So maybe earn some money while you do anyway. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.